Good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Please mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear. Good morning, all of you. Am I Yes. So, welcome all to this free lecture series on geometry. Today, we are discussing a very interesting aspect of geometry, tiling geometry. How to tile a surface, or what are the conditions for that. So, it will be very interesting. So, all of you, make sure your friends are also invited. This is a free session for all students who want to learn geometry, not only for CSIR NET exam, for other exams also it will be very useful. So invite your friends super fast so that we can start the session. And by that meantime, Plus and Iconic subscription is available in Unacademy for getting more learning and more resources. These courses will be very useful, and my full-length courses are currently available. One at 8:30 a.m. complete course on CSIR NET General Aptitude. One at 2 p.m. that is course on General Aptitude through model papers. So this is like a revision course, like one question paper each every day we'll be discussing. This was started 3 days back. So you can be part of both these courses by taking Unacademy plus subscription with the referral code CC10 Live. This is a process to attend all my courses, and by this subscription you are not only able to access my courses, all your subject educators courses also you can access. Only one subscription is available. Accessing all educators, all courses is possible if you are using the referral code CC10 Live. And today there's a special offer till today midnight, that instead of 10% off, there is a 20% off on your subscription. So note down the referral code CC10 Live. You can get that offer by that subscription. And these are some of the other capsule courses you can access by the same subscription. And GATE and DBT and Vedic math courses also by the same subscription you can get. Okay, so let us start. I think more people have joined. Make sure the link is shared to all your friends, all your groups. Good morning, one and everyone. Okay, so let us start. So tiling problems we are discussing today. Last classes, geometry, we have already taken 3 classes where we discuss types of polygons and properties of polygons and triangles specifically, and angle hunting problems, etc. Those lectures, if you missed, check out my previous lectures. You can see all my previous classes. If you search General Aptitude by Christy Varghese in YouTube or Google, you will see the playlist where I have taken free classes, many free classes, more than 600, 700 free classes you can find in YouTube and Unacademy special classes together. Okay, so tiling problems is what we are discussing today. This was 2022 NET exam problem. All of you make a try. I'll give you 1.5 minutes. All of you try it and then post your answer in the chat. After that, I will start explaining. Any answers? Deepshika, welcome to the lecture. Happy to see many new students joining daily. Okay, some of you got it. Voice is low. Now it is okay, I guess. Okay, so I'll start explaining. A floor of size 13 by 24 is to be paved using square tiles only. What is the smallest number of tiles needed to do this? These kinds of questions you should be very careful what the question is asking. Is it smallest number of tiles? Is it smallest number of identical tiles? All are different. Identical tiles means equal size the tiles should be there. The dimension of the tiles should be same. Identical. लेकिन identical नहीं लिखा तो it is not necessary that you should use identical itself. You can use any size tile. That is important in this question. So if this is the square floor area 13 by 24, that means this is 13. If this is 13 and this is 24, 13 length and 24 breadth, square tiles only can be used, but any size can be used. So smallest number चाहिए तो minimum number चाहिए तो maximum size the squares use करना पड़ेगा ना. ये 13 by 24 area में maximum size that can be occupied will be 13 side length square. Maximum square that can be fixed inside will be 13 by 13. ये 13 side length वाला square. Did you all understood why 13 side length वाला square? Like this. 13, 13. A square like this can be filled in this because we want to minimize the number of squares ना, इसके लिए maximum sized square fix कर रहा है. So first square we already fixed. Once you fix that square, ये total 24 है ना, 24 में 13 use किया है, so definitely 24 minus 13, 9 is remaining. 11 is remaining. अभी 11 breadth और 13 length बचा है ना, 11 length और 13 breadth बचा है. Are you all understanding? In this also you need to fit the maximum possible square possible. इसके अंदर भी maximum possible square fix करना है ना. Maximum possible square कौन सा होगा? 11, 13 remaining area है तो 11 by 11, 11 side length वाला square fix कर सकता है ना. 11 से ज़्यादा नहीं because then this length will overlap. Overlapping is not allowed in a proper tiling. So it will be 11 by 11 tiling like this. Are you all understanding? A square like this. 11 by 11 square can be placed like this. Is that clear? उसके बाद भी कुछ area बचा है ना. And now we have to continue the same process. How? 11 by 11 fix किया तो ये total 13 था. 13 का 2 बचा है और यहाँ 11 बचा है. And that can be filled by smaller tiles. Of what tiles? 2 by 2 tiles. I am just forwarding it further. 2 by 2 tiles. 5 2 by 2 tiles रख सकता है. कैसा 5? 5 2 by 2 tiles. How? 2 2 2 2 2 10 occupied. Now 1 is remaining. Now you cannot place a 2 by 2 tile there. Na? So 5 2 by 2 tiles can be placed because 2 length and 11 breadth to be covered. तो 5 2 by 2 टाइल्स रखा तो अभी भी एक स्मॉल एरिया बचा है. दिस एरिया बचा है. वो एरिया कवर करने के लिए 1 by 1 टाइल्स यूज करना पड़ेगा ना. 1 by 1 टाइल्स मीन्स टाइल्स विथ 1 साइड लेंथ. 1 by 1 tiles, 2 more should be placed. So this is the final tiling figure. All of you understood? Audio video clear na? Rajesh, log in once again and check. I think audio is clear. In my phone it is showing clear. All of you clear now the answer? So now how many tiles are here? Count it please. How many tiles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 tiles. Many of you got 9 and that is the correct answer. Option A, 9 is the correct answer. This was asked in the latest NET exam, February 2022 NET exam. I hope all of you are clear about this. Then I will show you other questions like this. 1 second. Okay, try this question. Then you will understand the difference between the types of tilings. So all of you try this, all of you. After trying, you can post the answer in the chat. After that, I will be explaining. Okay, many of you got it right. So I think I will start explaining. A rectangular area of sides 9 and 6 unit is to be covered by square tiles. Minimum number of tiles. This is same as previous question, na? This is same as previous question. So I don't think I need to explain much. This is simple also. This was not a CSIR net question, but I will show you another question CSIR asked of the same numbers or same floor dimension itself. So this is 9, this is 6 means what is the maximum possible square you can keep first? The maximum possible square you can keep first is this, that is 6 by 6, 6, 6. Then what is remaining? What is remaining is 3 here and 6 here. So 3, 6 means 2 3 by 3 tiles can be placed here. Now 3 by 3 tiles, 2 of them can be placed here. 6 by 6 tiles 1, 3 by 3 tiles 2. So total 1, 2, 3, 3 will be the answer. All of you got it now, same as previous question, so I am not explaining much. And it was easier also because it is a smaller area. But can you tell me what will be the answer if the, just a minute. Okay, one question got missing. Okay, try this question. Try this question. The question can be asked this way also, where they have specified which all tiles to be used. In that case, what to do? Please try it. Any answers? Okay, many of you got it. We'll explain. So a rectangular area of 9 by 6 unit is to be covered by square tiles of size 1, 2 and 5 units. So here 1 by 1 tiles, 2 by 2 tiles and 5 by 5 tiles only can be fixed. Minimum number of tiles needed for this. Minimum number के लिए maximum sized tile can be used, but only maximum sized tile available here is 5 unit, not more than that. So from that we can say that first we can place that 5 unit tile like this. 5 by 5 tile use kiya to you should understand how much length and breadth have taken. 5 length, 5 breadth taken. That means 1 remaining, 6 units total, na? This much 6, so 1 remaining. And then here 4 remaining because total 9, na? That means here there is a strip of 4 by 6. Yes, 6 hai. 4 by 6 area to be covered. 4 by 6 area cover करने के लिए 5 यूनिट वाला टाइल अभी यूज नहीं कर सकता. 5 यूनिट वाला टाइल यूज नहीं कर सकता. So 2 यूनिट वाला टाइल यूज करना ही पड़ेगा. 2 यूनिट वाला टाइल कितना यूज कर सकता है? 6 टाइल्स यूज कर सकता है ना? Are you all understanding how the 6 tiles are arranged? Because 2 length, so total 4 length covered. 2 length, 6 length, 6 breadth covered. अभी भी ये स्ट्रिप बचा है. ये स्ट्रिप क्या है? 1 by 5 वाला स्ट्रिप है. 1 by 5 वाला स्ट्रिप कवर करने के लिए देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन. 2 by 2 भी फिट नहीं होगा, 5 by 5 भी फिट नहीं होगा, तो 1 by 1 यूज करना ही पड़ेगा. 1 by 1 यूज करना ही पड़ेगा. कितना? 5. So 1 plus 5, 1 plus 6 plus 5, total 12 will be the answer. Please respond, all of you. All of you understood this or not? If so, actually this question again can be asked in a different way with identical tiles. What if, yeah, we will show that question. That will be better. Yeah, if this is the question, can you answer it? Read the question carefully and then answer it. Any answers? Okay, very good. So here the question is asking minimum number of identical tiles needed for it. That means every tile का size same होना चाहिए. Every tile का size same होना चाहिए मतलब the side length of that square tile should be a factor of 9 and 6 na. Side length of the square tile should be a common factor of 9 and 6. Did you all understood why we need a common factor? Common factor नहीं है तो either length satisfy नहीं करेगा या breadth satisfy नहीं करेगा. It should be a common factor क्योंकि ये total 9 होना चाहिए without any gap or without breaking tiles. You have to do that. So if it is 3 3 3, that will satisfy. But identical tiles चाहिए, sorry, identical tiles चाहिए. Identical tiles चाहिए तो ये भी 3 3 है तो चलेगा क्योंकि this will satisfy 6, this will satisfy 9. That means the common factor of 6 and 9 will be the dimension of the square. Did you all understood that? Common factor of 6 and 9 should be the dimension of the square. That means 3 by 3 tiles can be arranged only. Yeah, common factor बहुत सारा है. Yeah, multiple common factors हो सकता है ना. 3 भी common factor है, 1 भी common factor है. But हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर हमें चाहिए क्योंकि मिनिमम टाइल्स चाहिए ना. मिनिमम टाइल्स के लिए हर टाइल का साइज as much big as possible चाहिए. इसलिए HCF of 6 9 will be the dimension of the square. HCF of 6 and 9 3 will be the dimension of the square. That is why 3 side length वाला square या 3 by 3 squares how many arrange कर सकता है? 3 3 3 9 satisfy करने के लिए 3 columns and 6 satisfy करने के लिए 2 rows. So 2 into 3, 6 will be the answer. Did you understand this? This is applicable when the question is asking identical tiles. Identical tiles है तो ही this is needed. Identical नहीं है तो as I have shown you before, you can use very big tile and then smaller tiles. Identical tile चाहिए तो common factor होना and highest common factor होना जरूरी है. All of you understood this? And this was asked by CSIR in a little more trickier way. I will show you that question just a minute. Yeah, December 2016 problem. All of you try this. One and a half minutes. All of you try. Very good. So this is similar to previous question, but a bigger dimension. Dimensions of a floor are Dimensions of a floor are 18 by 24. What is the smallest number of identical square tiles? Identical square tiles. Identical square tiles चाहिए तो definitely 18 and 24 का factor होना चाहिए वो square tile का dimension. So look at this.
Solution.
1 second. Okay. So the smallest number of identical tiles we need to find. For that, as I told, we need the smallest number of tiles. इसलिए square tiles का dimension maximum होना चाहिए. इसलिए वो dimension highest common factor of 18 and 24 होना चाहिए. Just like I explained in the previous question. Highest common factor of 18 and 24 6 है ना. 18 का, those of you are not very clear about HCF or forgot about HCF. 6, 12, 18, sorry, 18 का factors 1, 2, 3, 6 होगा ना, and 9 होगा ना. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 24 का factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1 second, 8, 12, 24 होगा ना. इसका common factor 6 होगा ना, largest या highest common factor. So 6 है HCF. 6 HCF है तो 6 होगा dimension of that square. 6 dimension of the square है तो 6, 6, 6. 3 rows are needed and 4 columns are needed to complete this 24. 6, 6, 6, 6. So 4 into 3 total 12 is the number of tiles. Did you all understood how 12 square tiles? Please respond. 12 square tiles. Same as previous question. Previous question that highest common factor was easier or the number of tiles were smaller. Here the number of tiles is little more bigger only. That's all that's only difference. Now we will show you a little more different question. Try this December 2017 problem. Read the question carefully and answer this. Very good. Many of you got it. The smallest square floor which can be completely paved. of size 8 by 6. What's the difference of this question from previous questions? Previous question, the dimension of the square floor was known, but dimension of the floor was known, but dimension of the tile was unknown. But here it is the other way around. Dimension of the tile is known, but dimension of the floor is not known. And the tile is not square tile. Here it is a rectangular tile, but the floor is a square tile, unlike the previous case where it was a rectangular tile. So that is the difference of this question from previous question. But here also we can derive the idea clearly. ये स्क्वायर फ्लोर का डिमेंशन चाहिए, वो स्क्वायर फ्लोर मिनिमम होना चाहिए. सिर्फ 8x6 टाइल्स, आइडेंटिकल 8x6 टाइल्स यूज करके टाइल करना है. तो उसके लिए कितना टाइल्स चाहिए? n टाइल्स चाहिए, तो n का वैल्यू पूछा है, तो कितना टाइल्स चाहिए ये सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए. ब्रेकिंग अलाउड नहीं है एंड ओवरलैपिंग भी अलाउड नहीं है, वो तो ऑब्वियस है. सो 8x6 वाला टाइल्स है. सो 8x6 वाला टाइल्स अरेंज करना है, तो लुक एट दिस. या स्क्वायर का डिमेंशन x है, तो या फ्लोर का डिमेंशन, टाइल का नहीं, स्क्वायर का, फ्लोर का डिमेंशन x है, तो ये x का फैक्टर होगा ना 8, x का फैक्टर होगा 6. इफ यू अरेंज टाइल्स लाइक दिस, x का फैक्टर होगा 6 या x 6 का मल्टीपल होगा, दोनों सही है ना. 6 is a factor of x or x is a multiple of 6, we can say, because you are piling up 6 like this. Like previous question, you can recollect 6 6 6 6 6 multiple times added, that will make the whole x. Similarly, if this is 8 8 8 8 8 multiple times added, that will also make x. Or we can say that it will be the dimension of the floor will be a common multiple of 8 and 6. Why common multiple? Because स्क्वायर फ्लोर है, इसलिए कॉमन मल्टीपल होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये 6 का भी मल्टीपल होना चाहिए, 8 का भी मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. सो दोनों का मल्टीपल है, तो कॉमन मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. और वो कॉमन मल्टीपल किसी कॉमन मल्टीपल नहीं चलेगा, लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ही चलेगा, क्योंकि लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल नहीं है तो नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर फ्लोर का डिमेंशन ज्यादा हो सकता है ना. मिनिमम स्क्वायर फ्लोर चाहिए. मिनिमम स्क्वायर फ्लोर के लिए लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 and 8. लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 and 8 means 24 is the least common multiple, or LCM. Why to use LCM? That is what I am elaborating this much. I can just say that use LCM for this question, but I am trying to explain you the concept so that those people who are not very confident about LCM, HCF or these kinds of things, those people also understand. So LCM of 6 and 8 24 होगा. ये स्क्वायर फ्लोर का डिमेंशन, मतलब ये 24 होगा, ये भी 24 होगा. 24 होगा ये पता है, तो अभी क्लियर है ना. कितना 8 चाहिए 24 के लिए? 3 8 चाहिए ना. कितना 6 चाहिए 24 के लिए? 4 6 चाहिए ना. 6 into 4 is 24, 8 into 3 is 24. That will be the number of rows and columns. So 6 into 3 will, 3 into 4 or 4 into 3 will be the number of tiles. This will be the tiling also. 4 into 3 will be the number of tiles. 12 tiles will be there. All of you understood this? So these are different types of tiling problem. I hope all of you are understanding. Now I will show you another tiling problem also. Yeah, this one is done. Let me see. Yeah, another version of tiling problem is different polygons. Now we discussed only about square and rectangular tiling. Now what other tiling is possible? Let us discuss that. This was asked in December 2018. Make a try. What all tilings are possible, or which all polygons can be used for a proper tiling? Hold your answer. After trying, I'll give you 1.5 minutes. Dipshika, that is what I explained. According to the situation only we can decide. I cannot just say that this question HCF with this question LCM, because a slight tweaking of the question can give a different logic. So according to the situation only we can derive that. Check out the recording of this lecture, you will get little more clarity. Even if I say square given rectangle tile inside their LCM and otherwise HCF, that is not correct always. As I told, if the question is altered a little bit, it may look similar, but the answer will be wrong. In my classes, I try my maximum to teach you logic or how to think rather than what all to by heart or what all to mug up and apply, because that way of learning in CSIR NET exam part A section, it is not that advisable. If CSIR want to trick you, they can easily do that if you just peripherally learn that this concept, this formula. That way, try not to learn. Okay, anyway, I will explain this. Some of you got it right already. Very good. In the context of tiling a plane surface, which of the polygons is the odd one out? Which of the polygon is odd one out means by which of the polygons we cannot do the proper tiling. ये चार में से कौन सा पॉलीगन से प्रॉपर टाइलिंग नहीं कर सकता? Let us try each of the cases. Square tiling we already discussed in the last 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, right? Square tiling तो possible है. We have seen square tiling properly. But what about equilateral triangle tiling? Equilateral triangle means a triangle with all sides equal and all angles also are equal. It is equiangular also. And all angles are equal and equal to 60 degree. Last geometry class में हम discuss किया था questions related to equilateral triangle also. So 60 degree है तो ये भी 60 है, ये भी 60 है, ये भी 60 है, ये भी 60 है, ये भी 60 है. तो tiling proper है. Why I am saying tiling proper है? क्योंकि gaps नहीं आ रहा है. 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. 6 60s will make a 360. What is the speciality of 360? Angle around a point is 360. For example, if I want to cover this region, if I start arranging equilateral triangles, I can cover this region without any gap. Because 60 is a factor of 360. You will understand more with the upcoming examples. Equilateral triangle tiling is possible because equilateral triangle का angle 360 का एक factor है. That is a condition for a proper tiling to happen. Square may be same thing है ना. Square tiling is also possible. Why? Because square angle is 90 degree. 90 is a factor of 360. 90 is a factor of 360. So 4 90s will make a 360 na. So there is no gap in between. Are you all understanding? I am taking one point and around that point the region. It can be repeated again for how many more squares or how much area. But square tiling is possible because the internal angles of a square is a factor of 360. Now, factor of 360 nahi hai to problem kya hai? We will discuss with the third option. Third option is saying regular pentagon. Regular pentagon से tiling किया तो ऐसा होगा tiling. Regular pentagon का angle 108 degree है. Last class में हम discuss किया था. Angle of a last class में. Angle of a regular polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree by n. That is, for a regular pentagon, it will be 5 minus 2 into 180 degrees, the sum of interior angles. As it is a regular pentagon, 5 से divide किया तो each angle मिलेगा. Regular pentagon मतलब all angles are equal. Regular means equilateral and equiangular. We discussed in the last 2 classes. So theta will be this, that is 3 into 180, 3 into 180, 1008, sorry, 3 into 180, right? 720 by 5, it will be 108, sorry, did I make a mistake? Yeah, pentagon it is 5 minus 2 into 180, that is 3 into 180. that is 540, 540 by 5, sorry. 540 by 5 will be equal to 108 degree. What does that mean? Each angle of a regular pentagon is 108. 108 से ऐसा अरेंज किया तो एक 108 दूसरा 108 रखा तो 216 हो गया, तीन 108 रखा तो 324 हो गया. 324 के बाद अभी भी थोड़ा गैप है ना 360 डिग्री कंप्लीट करने के लिए. वो गैप फिल करने के लिए एक और पेंटागन यूज किया तो नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि एक और पेंटागन का एंगल 108 डिग्री है ना. 108 डिग्री का गैप नहीं है, लेकिन 24 डिग्री का गैप, सॉरी 26 डिग्री का गैप है. So that is 36 degree का. So that 36 degree gap cannot be filled by another pentagon. That need another triangle or another shape. That is not a proper tiling, na. That is not a proper tiling. That is why regular pentagon is the answer for this question. How many of you understood this? Please respond. Regular pentagon Q answer hai. Is it clear hai? Please respond. How regular pentagon is the answer? Simply speaking, regular pentagon का interior angle 360 का एक factor नहीं है, इसलिए regular pentagon tiling is not possible. Now some of you may be thinking that you may have seen regular pentagonal pentagonal tiling somewhere, like something like this. Yeah, if you observe around you, there may be pentagonal tiling like this. This is a pentagonal tiling and this is totally possible. Then why I am saying regular pentagonal tiling is not possible? Yeah, regular pentagonal tiling is still not possible because this is a pentagonal tiling. This is not a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon का हर angles equal होना चाहिए ना. यहाँ पे हर angles equal नहीं है. ये 90 डिग्री है तो ये 90 से ज़्यादा है ना. ये 90 डिग्री है, ये 90 से ज़्यादा है, ये 90 से भी कम है. So all angles are not equal. इसलिए ये टाइलिंग पॉसिबल है. 360 फॉर्म करने के लिए डिफरेंट पेंटागन विथ डिफरेंट एंगल्स आर अटैच्ड. दैट इज व्हाई 360 इज कवर्ड. इज दैट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? सो पेंटागनल टाइलिंग पॉसिबल है, रेगुलर पेंटागनल टाइलिंग है इम्पॉसिबल और इम्प्रैक्टिकल. फाइनली फोर्थ ऑप्शन में दिया है रेगुलर हेक्सागन. रेगुलर हेक्सागोनल टाइलिंग पॉसिबल है या नहीं? हाँ, रेगुलर हेक्सागोनल टाइलिंग इज वेरी कॉमन टाइलिंग ना. इफ यू लुक अराउंड योरसेल्फ, this interlocking and all, regular pentagon tiling you can see a lot. Or honeycomb arrangement, that also is, you can consider it as analogous to tiling itself. So that is possible. Why? Because regular hexagon का each angle 120 degree है. How to derive it? लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस किया था. n-2 into 180 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाई n फॉर्मूला यूज करके. वो फॉर्मूला कैसा आ रहा है वो भी हम डिस्कस किया है. सो n-2 is 6 - 2 into 180 degree. 6 - 2 into 180 degree divided by 6. That is 4 into 180, 720 by 6, 120 degree. That is how 120 can be derived. So 120 is each of the angle. तो 120 अटैच करके 360 बना सकता है, क्योंकि 120 360 का फैक्टर है. So regular hexagonal tiling is totally possible. Can you all respond in the chat whether this is clear completely? All of you respond in the chat. Yes. Okay, if that is clear, I'll show you one more CSIR NET question. This is a summary of what I taught you now. How equilateral triangle tiling are possible, how square tiling possible, how hexagonal tiling possible, and why pentagonal tiling is not possible also. I hope all of you understood this properly. If so, can you try the next question? December 2015 NET exam problem. Let us think more about this. Try it and post your answer in the chat. Some of you already got it. Very good. All of you tried? Okay, so I'll explain. So one is required to tile a plane with congruent regular polygons. Yeah, I already answered this question, right? Previous question में odd one out या कौन सा shape से tiling possible नहीं है वो पूछा है. यहाँ पे क्या question पूछा है? कौन सा polygon से possible है tiling? Six-gun means hexagon. Hexagon itself. Hexagon means six-sided polygon. Six-sided polygon से tiling possible है. We already discussed in the last class ना. Last question ना, sorry. 120, 120, 120 से totally possible है. ऐसा होगा tiling. Or we can summarize previous question and this question together. Equilateral triangle, square and regular hexagon are the only three regular shapes by which you can tile with identical tiles. Are you all understanding? But let us discuss more so that you will get more clarity. Why can't 8-gun be possible? Let us revise what we discussed last class also. So 8-gun possible क्यों नहीं है? 8-gun का regular 8-gun, regular polygon है. Regular 8-gun means octagon. Regular octagon का problem क्या है? If you use a regular octagon, sorry. Something like this. What is each of the angles? Can you find it? Can you find it? This formula we discussed in the last class in -2 into 180 degree. Or when you use that, you will get that 1080 is a sum of interior angles. 8 angles है, so 1080 by 8. Or 1080 by 8 means you can say 8 minus 2 into 180 divided by 8. You will get 1080 by 8. It will be 135 degree. This will be 135 degree. 135, 360 का factor नहीं है ना. If you arrange, there will be 135, 135, 135 तीन बार arrange किया तो you will get 305. उसके बाद 55 degree बचा है. So that will be a gap ना. So tiling is not possible. 135 degree है. 135 not a factor of 135 into k is not 360. That is why this is not possible. 6-gun is possible because 120 is the angle. 120 into k is equal to 360. Similarly, what is the problem with 10-gun? 10-sided polygon, the problem is 10-sided polygon ka sum of interior angle 10 minus 2 into 180 degree hoga. Each of the angles will be divided by 10. That will come up to 8 into 180 divided by 10, 144 degree. 144 भी 360 का मल्टीपल फैक्टर नहीं है या 360 144 का मल्टीपल नहीं है, इसलिए यह टाइलिंग भी इम्पॉसिबल है. Similarly 12 gun है तो 12 minus 2 into 180 degree divided by 12 will be each of the angle. So each angle will come up to 10 into 180 by 12, 150 degree. 150 भी 360 का फैक्टर नहीं है, 150 भी 360 का फैक्टर नहीं है, तो ये टाइलिंग भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. I explain this much so that you get more confidence in this topic. I hope it is clear. Please respond. इतना clear है या नहीं? So option A, 6 gun is the answer, or you can summarize this. Equilateral triangle, square and regular hexagon are the three regular shapes. Yeah, equilateral triangle, we can say it is a regular triangle. Regular triangle, regular quadrilateral, regular hexagon are the three polygons or three regular polygons which can be used for tiling without using any other shapes with identical tiles. So all of you understood that much, I guess. So this tiling chapter, is it clear? Many questions were asked till now from tiling chapter. I have shown you almost all of them. Gate exam में भी आया था indirectly tiling related questions. Not directly like this, but indirectly. Is there any doubt? So can I just ask you, Feb 2022 ये question में identical tiles पूछा तो क्या होगा answer? Identical tiles. If I insert the word identical, what will be the answer? Can you think about it? All of you think and answer. Yeah, the answer options does not have the answer in it. You can mention the answer. None of these options are correct, or there may not be answer in this for option. You can mention the answer in the chat. What option you got, what answer you got. Very good. Some of you already got it. Wonderful. Okay, so I'll explain. A floor of size 13 by 24 to be paved using square tiles only. What is the smallest number of identical tiles? Identical tiles के लिए ये 13, 24 का कॉमन फैक्टर चाहिए ना, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर चाहिए. 13 and 24 are relatively prime numbers. What is called relatively prime numbers? There is no common factor other than 1. That means highest common factor and the only common factor 1 होगा. क्योंकि 13 एक प्राइम नंबर है, 24 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, लेकिन 13 का फैक्टर तो 1 and 13 ही है. 13 एनीवे 24 का फैक्टर नहीं है. सो और कोई फैक्टर नहीं है, तो और कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है 13 और 24 के बीच में अदर देन 1. So 1 is the common factor. Yeah, 1 is the highest common factor, means 1 by 1 tiles only can be arranged. 1 by 1 tiles means 24 columns create होगा, 13 rows create होगा. 13 into 24 will be the answer itself. Are you all understanding 13 into 24 why? Please respond, is this clear or not? Mention in the chat. And 13 into 24, when you multiply, you will get 240, 24, 24, 24, 72, 312 you will get. 312 tiles are needed. Yeah, if the numbers are relatively prime, the number of tiles also will be equal to the dimension of the floor itself. So different ways tiling problem can be asked, I explained. I hope it is all clear. If there is any doubt, please ask. And once again, reminding all of you, the offer Unacademy have given for plus subscription. It is ending today in 12 hours. By today midnight, this offer will be over. That 20% discount will be available if you are using the referral code CC10 live. This was an offer running from 18th July to 22nd July. The plus courses, the advantage of plus courses is it is just more systematic, more ordered, and there will be डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन. मोर इंपॉर्टेंस विल बी गिवन फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, क्योंकि हर 3 क्लास के बाद एक डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन होता है. मेरा क्लासेस का भी और सब्जेक्ट कोर्सेज का भी ऐसा ही होगा. हर 3 क्लासेस के बाद देयर विल बी अ डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, and that will clarify your doubts regarding each of the topic after every 3 class, the doubt clearing session. And also it will be more systematic and more syllabus covering. So in a short duration you can learn the entire general aptitude section and entire subject part also, because there are multiple courses offered by multiple educators for your subject part. Life science, mathematical science, physical science and chemical science, ये 4 subject का hundreds of courses are available for your subject part and aptitude section. And for that you can take this Unacademy plus subscription. More details are there in the description. And my plus courses are currently this 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. complete course, 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Yeah, today 2 p.m. also will be having this session where we are discussing 12 CSIR NET based model question papers of part A section to give you extra confidence before the exam. And the complete courses is for those people who want to start learning general aptitude or want to learn each chapter topic by topic. And capsule courses are for those people who want to learn any particular topic only more in depth. 5 to 10 lectures will be there for all these topics, and there will be a shortcut methods, tips and tricks discussing course also. And these courses also will be available. There is no separate subscription needed. There is no separate payment needed. One single subscription, you can access all content in CSIR NET category by a single subscription itself. And how to get maximum discount for your subscription, I have given here. Use the referral code, use the credit option, and make sure you are choosing the CSIR NET category. That is where I teach general aptitude. But CSIR NET category courses may be mera GATE general aptitude courses be you can access by this subscription itself. GATE courses, DBT courses, Vedic math courses also you can access by this subscription itself. So if you're planning to take plus subscription, take it by today itself, because then only you will be getting the 20% discount. Otherwise normally 10% discount will be there if you're taking after today. Okay, so I think for today we can conclude here. Hope today's session was interesting. If you felt that today's session is interesting, please share this video to maximum people, and also you can like this video. That will help this video to reach to more people. If you felt this was useful, if you don't felt this was useful, you can also dislike also. But do let your friends know about the upcoming classes. My daily free classes happen at 11 o'clock. More free classes I take not in the YouTube channel, in the Unacademy special class platform I take more free classes. To access Unacademy special class platform, in the comment section there is a comment tagged. Click on that tagged comment. You will reach my profile where I take free classes. Or almost 500 free classes are given in my Unacademy special class platform. More than 200 free classes are given in my YouTube classes through my channel also, through Unacademy channel also. You can search it, General Aptitude by Christy Varghese, and find the playlist of my classes. Okay, so that is it. So thank you all of you for attending the session. See you all on the next class. Next class, most probably, if possible, tomorrow 11 a.m. there will be a special class in the Unacademy special class platform. Special classes are completely free classes. Tomorrow 11 a.m. if possible. Otherwise Monday. I haven't scheduled it. Tomorrow 11 a.m. I will try my maximum to take a special class. And tomorrow 8:30 a.m. there will be a plus course also. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Those of you are attending it live or recorded, do share your views, whether what you felt about this class through the comment section or through at least the like button. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you all on the next class. Take care.